So this morning I'm out here in Claymore, which is out near Campbelltown. It's for a customer who is with TPG. Now it's a housing commission area and they've just moved in to this one here, right? Now there's no lead-in cable coming into this property, and from the research the customer's done herself, no one's had any service here since at least 2010. Now I've been all through this place. There's no sockets in the place, there's no lead-in cable. The only thing they've got is a Foxtel dish on the roof. Now, if we go up the side here, this is the neighbour's place. There is a Telstra pit here with a can in it. Okay, and the only way I can see it getting done is like concrete cutting across the path, running a conduit up through the Serling, and then we're going to get over into there, but we're going to go through this place. But this is not the responsibility of this customer, right? So this is a network issue, because if there's no lead-in cable, this is part of the infrastructure of getting this place built. So I spoke to this customer about a week ago. I said, look, you know, we hear about this type of stuff all the time, it's a common problem. So maybe register a complaint with the TIO, because everyone's fobbing her off. So she spoke to the TIO. Now they've put the complaint down as a TPG issue, but it's obviously not a TPG issue because TPG aren't part, you know, they don't own the network. So just down here, you know, we've got a pillar and got the node. So they're really close and it's fibre to the node. So we're just doing this video today so the customer has something to go to the TIO with. But I'm going to go up the front. So the only ports they've got in the house are these Foxtel ones here. And then I've been up in the Serling, they've got like little lofts, they've got little manholes everywhere. I've poked my head up and everything. I've gone under in the little dungeon under here. There's nothing in there. So that is actually the back of the house. The front of the house is out this way. And but there'd be no way it'd be here, because as you can see it's like a little maze and there's no sort of pits or anything out the front part here, but you've got to walk along here to sort of get yourself to the front. So I'm pretty sure that the address would be fed from the back of the property, not the front of the property. Because as you can see, their letterboxes are here, and you can see it's like some, you know, council type of state. So that's basically what's going on here. So I just want to do this video. This is just for the customer, because she shouldn't be paying for us to install a lead-in cable for her. She really needs to get the TIO to act and get NBN or Telstra to take responsibility and come out here and put this lead-in cable in for her. Thanks.